This is a light-forsaken land, isn't it? You can barely even see the sun. This howling wind cuts to the bone, and you're not even shaking. My lord, are you all right?
Captain, are all my forces accounted for?
Nearly. There are only a few ships that...
Very well. Our first priority is to set up a base camp with proper defenses. There's no telling what's waiting for us out there in the shadows. I'm here to help. A sound plan. Of course. Foul knave. Certainly. For honor. Ice trolls.
Attack!
You are past redemption. Certainly. For honor. Justice has come. Of course. A sound plan. For my father, the king. Feel my wrath. Betrayer of the light. For honor. Certainly. Justice has come. Of course. Feel my wrath. A sound plan.
Inventory is full.
For honor. A sound plan. Certainly. Of course. For honor. Ah, a gold mine. We'll set up our base there. We're under attack. Take cover!
Bloody hell! You're not undead! You're all alive!
Muradin? Muradin Bronzebeard, is that you?
Damn, boy. I never imagined that you'd be the one to come to our rescue.
Rescue? Muradin, I didn't even know you were here.
Oh, well, just the same, lad. I could use your help. My mates and I were attacked and we got separated. I'd appreciate any backup you could give me.
Of course I'll help Muradin. Let's move.
What? All right. Ready to work. Yes, me lord. What is it?
What's the flight plan?
Research complete. Our forces are under attack.
That has to be where Mal'Ganis is hiding. I want that base leveled.
Our forces are under attack.
Is there danger? A sound plan.
More work. Yes, me lord. Yes, me lord. Righto. What is it? Off I go then.
Ready for action. Yes, my liege. Ready for action.
Forms.
Upgrade
Job's
complete.
done. What? Job's done. I can't build that. Yes, me lord. More work. More work.
Ready for action.
I stand for the light.
Okay to go. They'll never hear me coming.
Ready for action.
Roger, Wilco.
The light is my strength.
Job's done. Yes, me lord.
Ready for action.
Righto. What? Job's done.
Justice shall be done. Foul knave. Certainly. A sound plan.
It's
betrayer of the light.
Job's done.
For my father, the king. For honor.
What is it? All right. More work? Off I go then. What? Job's done. What is it? Job's done. Yes, me lord. What? All right.
I'm here to help.
What is your wish?
Justice shall be done. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan.
Modern combat! Say the word.
Hello! Research complete.
I stand for the light. For honor. Certainly. You are past redemption.
That's them, and they're still under attack from the undead.
Let's move, men. Those dwarves need help. Of course. Justice has come. Certainly. You are past redemption. For honor.
Our forces are under attack.
Of course. A sound plan. A sound plan. Of course.